on, guys? So here's the final product of the Can Am frame stretch. Look at her, she looks gorgeous. She looks really good. Took me a minute. It took me like about a month to do, but she looks gorgeous. She looks really good. I've already taken her on one test ride. So far she's doing good. I went pretty fast on the road, and drive shaft's good, all the components good, suspension is good. And I took it for a little trail ride, and it actually rides really good without the sway bar. Remember, I didn't relocate the sway bar back here. I just kept it in the original position. I gotta cut this one off here and just remove it entirely. I never really go fast on the road anyways. But she is looking great. Look at her. Woo! Man, she looks good. It was a lot of work. But yeah, let me show you the finished product. And yeah, let me flip the camera around. So here she is. I put the tiger tail back. That's what I originally wanted when I did the frame set stretch. I wanted to keep the hitch and the tiger tail in the back, so I can still use it. So here she is. Got the 2 bolts there, the big bolt on the control arm, the suspension. Like I said, the sway bar, I never relocated it, but I don't need it. I mean, like I said, I don't really go fast. I go like on trails and stuff like that, so it's better for the suspension to articulate. But yeah, look at her. She looks great. Man, she looks super good, especially with the wheels on. These are 44s, 44 BKT on 24s. As you can see, she sits awesome. I wonder if I can fit 50s, which is eventually what I want. It might be a little bit tight here, but we'll see what we do. Maybe we add more spacers. I don't know. We'll see. It already has a 2-inch spacer, but she looks great. Wow, she looks super good. But yeah, that's the finished product. I haven't taken a video since I finished it, so I wanted to take a video now because it's been already like 2-3 weeks. But look at her, she looks awesome. Now it's time to test her out. I gotta see what else I have to upgrade. I'm gonna start going to bounty holes and parks and stuff like that. So yeah, let's do it. Wanted to thank you guys for the support on this build. I'm just trying to start a little YouTube channel little by little, so I'm gonna keep putting more content, more mudding videos, maybe another build. I want to build my girl an ATV, maybe a Renegade, so we'll see. That way we can ride together and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think. She looks awesome. Alrighty guys, till next time, see ya.